Hello everyone, welcome back to IELTS Serving Community. And long time no see, how are you? I hope all of you are okay. And today I'm gonna make one more video in the series videos about 100 phrases and their synonyms in IELTS Listening Test. Okay, so if you haven't watched video part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4, so let's have a look in our channel. Okay, and well, after this video we're gonna public another video about explaining IELTS speaking descriptors, so you can understand how to improve your IELTS speaking band scores. Okay, now so let's get started. Well, one more thing, don't forget to like and share our videos and subscribe our channel for more lessons. Okay, and now here we go. Well, let me see. So today we're going to work on this 20 phrases and their synonyms, and you may see them again in your real IELTS listening test. So don't forget to take note and to learn and make the most of it. Okay, now number 1, suffer, and had the similar meaning as experience. Okay, suffer from something, like mean you are hurt or something in your physical or mental stuff. Okay, and you experience ups and downs in life, and suffer something. Okay, number 2, summarize. Okay, outline. Summarize is like you show off the most important information, and this is a brief information that you show, and we can see the outline as well. The next one, survival. Okay, so you can see survival, that's something still alive. Okay, something continued existence. Okay, number 4, teachers should be flexible in their lesson planning. Teachers allow lessons to go their own ways. Like they can be autonomous to plan their lesson. I mean, they can be flexible. Okay, number 5, the comedy is still in a developmental phase. In developmental phase, like in the it's a progress, and they can develop more and more. So they got planned to expand into foreign market. It's like it is trying to develop, right, and go through transition. It's been it's in developmental phase. Number 6, the continuing expansion and the progressive expansion. So like we have progressive is something still happen. Okay, number 7, the economic effect is something relating to economy. Okay, so then we have recession, the economy goes down, right? The government should be encouraging business to find ways to cut loss. So number 8, reduction in expense. It means need to spend less money, then we can save money. Something too slow. This one is really important, and you may see it in real life and real conversation. It takes ages to do something. Like it takes so long time to do something. That means it's too slow. Okay, unexpected and unpredictable. unexpected. It's something you not expect. You not think it's gonna happen. Okay, and something you can't predict what's going on. Number 11. Upgrade software programs. Upgrade. You try to develop. So we're gonna have better software program. So when we upgrade, we're gonna have better software programs. Number 12. Upgrade water quality. So the water quality. So we can improve the purity of the water. Okay, the clean and fresh of the water. We'll have upmarket is kind of upmarket and luxury. It's I'm saying something really expensive and it's like high class in society. Okay, like billionaire, Miss World, or stuff like that. Number 14. Was more harmful to the environment. More harmful. Something is more harmful to the environment. I mean, like that thing is kind of environmentally friendly. Less. It's like pesticide or the litters or deforestation, stuff like that. And then it can harm the environment. Now, number 15. Water levels are usually quite low. So we have water levels, okay, remain quite shallow. Shallow is something, not depth, okay? I mean something is not deep enough, something is quite low, okay? Number 16. Waterlogged. Waterlogged is like exactly they cover with water or saturated, be saturated. Okay. Number 17. We could really cut down on carbon emissions if less food was supplied. So you can see like we can cut down carbon emissions, okay, if less food was supplied. So we have if clause here. I mean we have something like independent clause and dependent clause. Okay, this is kind of a complex sentence. So we have the connection. So yeah, of course they have the connection. Like we provide less food, so we can cut down on carbon emissions. I mean like we can reduce the carbon footprint as well. So there's the connection between between this one and this one. Okay. Number 18. Wetlands naturally occurs between land and water. Wetland, I mean this one is between this one, so we can say wetland as a border. Okay, so one side is land and then the other side is water. All right, so we can say so wetland is kind of border. Number 19. What may really bring the assignment to life? So you can say bring something to life. It means like make something more practical, real, and exciting and interesting. So it's by include some data. It's been like you add data and make it more interesting. Work on our previous assignment. So work on previous assignment. So something happened. So had done that project last year. So we have project, we have assignment, and then you can see it have similar meaning. Okay, that the way they show you on the answer sheet and in the recording. So sometimes they're not so exactly the same, but we need to learn about that. So that's all about the lesson for today, and I hope you like it. And don't forget to like and share this video to support us, and subscribe our channel for more lessons, okay? And we're gonna come back with another video relating to explaining IELTS speaking descriptors, okay? And it's gonna help you improve your band scores in IELTS speaking. All right, and thank you so much. Bye.